In this video, we will show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to your TV for a seamless audio experience. Whether you want to enjoy your favorite shows without disturbing others or simply prefer wireless audio, pairing your Bluetooth headphones is easy and quick. Follow this simple step-by-step guide to get started. Step 1. Check Bluetooth compatibility. Before you begin, ensure that your TV has Bluetooth capabilities. Most modern smart TVs come with built-in Bluetooth, but some older models may require an external Bluetooth transmitter. Check your TV's user manual or settings to confirm Bluetooth functionality. Step 2. Activate pairing mode on your Bluetooth headphones. Put your Bluetooth headphones into pairing mode. Typically, this involves holding down the power button or a dedicated Bluetooth button for a few seconds until you see a blinking light or hear an audible cue indicating that the headphones are ready to pair. Step 3. Access TV Bluetooth settings. Now, turn on your TV and navigate to the Bluetooth settings. This can usually be found in the Settings menu under Sound, Audio, or Connections. Look for a Bluetooth option and select it. Step 4. Scan for available devices. Once you're in the Bluetooth settings, choose the option to scan for nearby devices. Your TV will search for available Bluetooth devices, including your headphones. Step 5. Select your Bluetooth headphones. When your headphones appear on the list of available devices, select them. If prompted, confirm the pairing by selecting Yes or entering a pairing code, usually displayed on the screen. Step 6. Confirm the connection. Once the pairing process is complete, you should see a confirmation on the TV screen. Your Bluetooth headphones are now connected, and you can enjoy your audio wirelessly. Step 7. Adjust the volume. Make sure the volume on both your TV and headphones is set to an appropriate level. If needed, use the TV's audio settings to ensure the sound is routed through your Bluetooth headphones. Troubleshooting tips. If the connection fails, try restarting both the TV and the headphones and repeat the pairing process. If your TV doesn't support Bluetooth, you can use a Bluetooth transmitter to connect your headphones. That's it. You've successfully paired your Bluetooth headphones with your TV. Enjoy your movies, shows, and music with the convenience of wireless audio. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips.